Way number one, follow the deal. So what I mean by that is you can't be fancy or you can't be particular on the vehicle you're getting. So if you want to go for an Audi A6 45 S-Line S-Tronic Tech Pack and that is it, you might have to pay a premium for that. If you will take a large 4-door saloon automatic German brand with good spec, then you're going to get your best deal. So rather than being focused on an exact model, focus on the type of vehicle you want and then look for the deals. So you might end up going for a Mercedes-Benz E-Class, but it might be saving you 50, 60, £100 a month by doing that rather than just you sticking with one particular model. Point number two, mileage. A lot of our customers over allow on the mileage. Well, the reason they do that is they're scared of excessive mileage charges where they're going to get absolutely hammered at the end of the contract if they've exceeded the contract mileage. First point is check the excess mileage charge. Most funders, the mileage charge is particularly reasonable, somewhere between 6 and 11 pence a mile, depending on the vehicle. So make sure it's something around that sort of figure. You don't really pay much more than that. And then secondly, don't over allow on your mileage. If you know historically you've been doing 10,000 miles a year for the last 2 or 3 years, why increase your mileage to 15, set your mileage at 15,000 miles a year? Because you're never going to do it. The only winner there is the finance company. You're going to be paying for that mileage and then you're going to give them the car back with less mileage on it, so it's worth more than they thought it was. So their quid's in and you're not. And the third point is be careful of your initial rental. So initial rental is what some customers call the deposit. It's not a deposit because you don't get it back. It's the amount you pay as your first payment, okay, so your initial rental. And that can fluctuate. You can set that thing from nothing all the way up to thousands of pounds. And the more you put down up front as that initial rental, the lower the monthly payment. And as always, you're going to get a lot of people advertising super cheap car rentals. All they've done is increase the initial rental to make it look, the monthly payment look really cheap. So just be careful you don't get caught out by companies advertising cheap monthly rentals but with super high inflated initial rentals.